Well, some of you are probably packing the car with presents and getting ready to head out. And, fortunately, things in Texas this holiday look pretty good. As you can see, we've got north winds over here, and that's what brought in the cool air last night. That north wind is actually going to increase in strength overnight, so that tomorrow will be a little breezy, but we'll still have the rather cold mornings and getting up to fairly mild weather. The only big storm across the country right now is this one in the Midwest. It's a fairly significant snowstorm, and it's moving very rapidly through the Chicago area, but should be in the Ohio Valley as soon as tomorrow. The western states are looking good. The eastern states, well, I tell you, this time of the year, you got to be ready for pretty much anything. For us in the Crossroads, we're looking for a low temperature tonight, 46, getting up to about 70 tomorrow, then 38, and then up to 65. And as we get to Sunday, we'll get up to about 72. Sunday, Monday, we start picking up a little bit of cloud cover that'll be with us for the early part of next week. But there you go for your temperatures tonight. As you can see, well into the 40s. So yeah, it's a little chilly in the morning hours, but daytimes will be very pleasant. These are your high oops, no, wrong map. Here are your high temperatures for tomorrow. As you can see, we'll get up to about 70 degrees, and it'll be in the 50s in Dallas, 60s out in West Texas. Couldn't ask for nicer weather as we head on if you happen to be traveling in the early part of the weekend. Now, as you can see, with the abundant sunshine, things are very nice, and we'll continue with that as that north wind continues blowing everything down to the coastal areas. And then on Sunday, really, we start sort of turning the winds back around. Well, that brings that Gulf moisture back in, and because the land is cooler than normal after the cold air, we'll start seeing a little bit of overcast. That overcast will be with us for just two days, and we may get a little drizzle with it, but then things get better as we get to Christmas. Now let's take a look at the snowstorm throughout the Midwest. Now this is the map for everybody traveling for the next 7 days, okay? So there you go. This is Friday in the east. For us, beautiful. The West Coast, still fairly quiet. We go through Saturday, and the east finally gets a little clearing. We're still doing well. The Northwest gets hammered by a big Pacific winter storm. And then we get to Monday, and what you see here is the return flow giving us a little drizzle. This will be Monday and Tuesday, of course, Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve, we may have a little bit of rain as this little frontal system moves through the region. But then, as you can see, we get to Wednesday, Christmas Day, and things are looking very nice over our area. Sunny skies, and of course, there is a little bit of snow occurring throughout the Colorado area. Just to give you an idea of, and there's the West Coast with quite a bit of precipitation. Give you an idea what's going on across the country. Here are the national temperatures. You can see it's 30s and 40s here, but the real winter below zero stuff is way up here in Canada. So let's look at your forecast for those of you in Port Lavaca. Gorgeous day tomorrow. Mostly sunny, getting up to about a 71. Overnight lows getting down into the mid 40s, and then sunny skies for tomorrow in Cuero as well. It's Saturday, first day of winter officially. Cloud deck returns Monday and Tuesday with a little sprinkle activity, and then it clears up just in time for Christmas Day. That's our 7-day forecast, reminding everybody we do have a QR code. We'd love for you to scan that, put Crossroads a Day on your phone. Sean,